Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is overcoming listening barriers. Ladies and gentlemen, listening is the most crucial activity. If we are not listening to the other person thoroughly, we will not be able to work upon what he said. And it spoils professional relationships in any kind of office environment. Not only it spoils professional relationship with the person, it also creates a bad impression of yours in front of others, because of which people stop contacting you in any way. You develop a bad reputation inside the organization. That's why listening thoroughly is very crucial. Today I'm going to tell you that what are the major shortcomings on which we must concentrate to uplift our listening skills. Please have a look at this. I have prepared this chart, ladies and gentlemen, overcoming listening barriers, how we can overcome listening barriers. And number one here is allow others to speak. Of course, the very first criteria. If you are speaking all the time and you are not giving any time to the other person, how can he convey his point of view to you? Not possible at all, ladies and gentlemen. Have some respect for the person who is speaking in front of you and give that person some time to express his or her feelings. Allow others to speak. Second point, don't interrupt others. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes it happens that when a person is talking to us, we are not willing to accept his point of view. It happens in most of the face-to-face speaking situations. A person is saying something and we are not willing to accept his ideas. We start interrupting in the middle. When he is speaking, we start interrupting in the middle. It is a kind of disrespect shown towards the speaker, ladies and gentlemen. Please don't do it. If you are interrupting the person who is speaking, you are absolutely disrespecting that person. Please don't do it. Very bad behavior. Third point, respect others' knowledge. Now, ladies and gentlemen, whenever someone is talking to us, the very first criteria is the person is talking to us on the basis of knowledge and experience that he is having. Only on the basis of the knowledge and experience that the person is having, he tries to communicate with us. While listening, we must respect the knowledge and experience of that person. That person also belongs to a particular field, and related to that particular field, he is sharing his experiences, his knowledge with us. We must give full respect to that, and we must listen thoroughly to that person. And there is always a possibility that other people's experience, it can create miracles in your own personal life. There is a possibility, ladies and gentlemen. Fourth, and again the most crucial point, face the speaker. When someone is talking to you, try to maintain a constant eye contact with that person, ladies and gentlemen. If you are not making eye contact with the person who is speaking, it is again a big respect shown towards that person. Please make constant eye contact with the person who is speaking. If you are not making eye contact, straight away you are disrespecting that person. It will spoil your relationship with that person permanently. Fifth, and the most crucial point in today's scenario, switch off the cell phone, ladies and gentlemen. If you are sitting in a presentation and the presenter is displaying something, he is talking to you, please keep your phone on vibration mode, or it is better you just switch it off. Please switch off the cell phone. It is the biggest distraction nowadays. In a face-to-face conversation, in any kind of presentation, in any kind of group discussion situation, or any such situation when you are interacting with some other person. Cell phone is the biggest barrier. The moment the cell phone rings, we stop concentrating on the other person and we start looking at our cell phones. It's an addiction, ladies and gentlemen. And this is the most common addiction nowadays. People can ignore every other thing in their life except their cell phone. Very bad behavior, ladies and gentlemen. Please stop doing it. Sixth point, and the most crucial, I will say, again, it is the most crucial. Avoid thinking how to reply. Ladies and gentlemen, sometimes when someone is talking to us, instead of listening to that person properly and understanding his point of view, we start framing ideas in our own minds that how we should reply to that person. This is a very bad, and I will say it is an egoistic behavior. It is an egoistic behavior, ladies and gentlemen. If you do like this, it means that you are disrespecting other person's knowledge and you are trying to prove yourself better than that person. In a listening situation, there is no need to prove yourself better than other people. The only important thing is try to listen thoroughly what the other person is saying. Try to understand his point of view and then give appropriate reaction on that. There is no need to be over superior, overconfident. Please get rid of this superiority complex when you are talking to other people. Avoid thinking how to reply, ladies and gentlemen, and just concentrate on what the person wants to say. Seventh point, avoid conversation when angry. Ladies and gentlemen, last and again the most crucial point, avoid conversation when angry. Sometimes, because of various office situations, we may feel angry. Now, I'm not going to explain those situations. There are different situations in corporate environment because of which people feel angry. And we keep thinking about that particular situation. In that case, it is better you do not communicate with anyone. It is better you do not communicate with anyone because due to frustrated mind, you will always misbehave with the other person. Because of frustrated mind, you will always misbehave with the other person. And that is again a disrespect shown towards other people in corporate environment. This is a very bad behavior, ladies and gentlemen. Please avoid conversation when you are angry. I would like to repeat all these crucial steps by the help of which you can overcome your listening barriers. Number one, allow others to speak. Of course, if you are not allowing others to speak, how can you understand their point of view? Second, don't interrupt others. Very bad behavior, ladies and gentlemen. If you are interrupting other person, he will not be able to express his point of view and it will spoil your professional relationship with that person. Respect others' knowledge. Of course, you are working in a corporate environment, you are having knowledge, and only because of that knowledge you are holding a particular position in corporate sector, but other people are not fools. Always remember that. Everyone inside the organization is having equal category of knowledge depending on their respective profiles. Fourth point, face the speaker. Of course, if you are not making eye contact with the person who is speaking to you, it is a big disrespect shown towards that person. It means you are straight away ignoring the point of view of that person. Fifth point, switch off cell phone. Ladies and gentlemen, I have already discussed the biggest distraction in today's corporate environment is cell phone. The moment it rings, you stop listening to the other person and you start looking at your cell phone. Very bad behavior. Please avoid it. Sixth point, avoid thinking how to reply. Of course, if you are thinking how to reply, you will never concentrate on what matter the person wants to tell you. Concentrate on the matter which the speakers want to express, instead of framing illogical responses in your mind. Seventh point, avoid conversation when angry. Of course, when you are angry, you are having some different types of thoughts in your mind. And when you are having some different thoughts in your mind, definitely you will never be able to concentrate on what the person is saying. Very bad behavior. That's why avoid conversation when angry. So ladies and gentlemen, these are the major listening barriers which are very prominent in day-to-day speaking, in personal life and even in corporate sector. Listening barriers are same everywhere. It depends on different types of situations that you are facing in your office and in your personal life. Ladies and gentlemen, listening can be made effective only by respecting other people. This is the only number one criteria of enhancing your listening skills. Respect the other person. Give respect to the person who is talking to you. If you are not respecting the person who is talking to you, you will always interfere in what he is saying. You will never listen to that person properly. It is an egoistic behavior. Egoistic behavior is always bad for personal life as well as for professional life. So please avoid it. Respect the speaker. Respect the speaker. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.